Hey friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add categories to your shop on Kofi. Now as you can see here, I'm in Kofi guys, and this is currently my shop with one product, and you can see here right below the setup button that I have some categories. But let's say I want to add a few more. How do we do that? It's very easy. You can just simply go ahead and click on setup right above the products here, or just simply click on the burger menu up to the upper right hand side and go to your shop. So whichever option you choose, it will take you into your shop. And when you scroll down under the setup option, you will see a section called categories. All you have to do is just simply go ahead and click on manage categories, and you can add categories from here. So let's say you want to go ahead and add something. You can just simply type whatever. So let's say I want to sell, for example, ebooks. I can go ahead and type in ebook, and I can just go ahead and click on add, and that's going to add a new category. And that's it. You go ahead and you click on the exit button on the upper right hand side. So what's going to happen here is whenever you add a new product, if you assign this category to that product, then this will show up on your shop. And that's it. That's how you go ahead and add categories to your shop in Kofi.